see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Dalawa y- Nagluluto ulit ako ng spring rolls. Kasi yung mga bata gusto nila ng spring rolls. Kumusta yung New Year nyo, guys? Alam ko late. Sinabi ko naman sa inyo, late nyo ito mapapanood. Pero sana naging masaya yung New Year nyo. Kunin mo yung leche flan. And yung puto. Dito yung puto. Kasi nga, diba, umalis kami gabi, kahapon. So, yung mga niluto ko, si Kuya lang ang kumain spaghetti. And then, kanina kumain din sila ng spaghetti. Kaya feeling ko busog pa sila. Pero kami ni Jan, sobrang gutom. Ako, sobrang gutom na ako. Ito yung leche flan natin, guys. Oops. Maganda itong lalagyan ng leche flan kasi hindi tatapon yung syrup. Nabili ko ito. Ayan. Ayan yung leche flan natin, guys. Ilagay ko itong puso. Si Jan, tinatanong ako kung kumuha raw ako ng ice cream. Sabi ko, hindi. Sabi ko, bakit? Para daw sa fruit salad niya. Kasi nga, ang fruit salad niya, nilalagyan niya talaga ng ice cream. Initan ko lang si Jan ng roast beef, tsaka yung baked potato. Kasi ayaw kong initin lahat kasi hindi niya naman kakainin niya lahat. Naliligo pa naman siya. So, can you turn on the TV, please? And eto yung lobster. Bagong huli ito ni Jan kanina. Isa lang. Kasi wala na. Ako lang naman kakain. Naglagay ako ng tatlong chili sauce para sa spring rolls. Tig-iisa sila para kayang abutin ba nila. Kasi pag pasa-pasa matatapon na naman. Cut lang ako ng roast beef para kay Jan. Kasi yun lang ang iinitin ko. Hindi ko ito iinitin lahat. Ha? For daddy. Do you want this or pork belly? Pork belly. You pork belly, Kuya?
And I like one too.
You want that too?
Yeah. Where's your manners?
Where's your manners, girl?
I'm touching my finger over it.
That's daddy now. Huh? You're hungry? Okay, baby.
See, I think that's fine. But why you have to do that?
Huh?
Why you have to do that?
This is for dad.
I want some.
And baked potato. Five.
That's
Ayan yung baked potato tapos beef. Initin ko lang to.
Is it laundry or table? Not is it laundry or not
It's
laundry?
dinner. 2 minutes?
No.
1 minute?
Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah? Do you want roast pork na? Roast pork? Yeah. Pork belly. Cut din tayo ng pork belly. Ito, ininit ko to sa oven. You want pork belly?
And that.
Ayan, crispy pa siya, guys.
And that.
All of them? You're big girl na talaga, Holly.
Huh?
I get gunting.
What's something for?
This is gunting.
No, that's a knife.
This is not knife. This is gunting.
That's the scissors.
Yeah.
You got scissors. Mom,
Pakita ko sa inyo.
scissors.
Ayan yung pork belly, guys.
Now we're
Oh.
from the business.
Sana makita nyo na maayos. Ayan.
Huh?
Bible.
Dad!
Zachary.
Dad! No, Dad! I mean, that was Dad.
Sa, do you want pork belly?
Yes, please.
Ang crunchy niya, guys. Oh.
Like this.
Oh,
I like that.
Mom, I want all the
Mom, can I like
Where was it?
There, huh?
Where?
Here.
I'm not bringing more fried fish in that.
Mom,
It's
can
alright.
I eat you?
The fried
Yeah, I'm just cutting you pork.
Didn't hear?
Russian car almost single-handedly pulled off an unlikely victory for the strikers as they started their
Sanda.
Mom, really?
Ah,
I'm
kuya?
already playing.
Ibo. Kuya.
Is that hot?
Yeah?
Can you get a spoon for Holly, please?
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Sydney. Sydney Sanda.
I don't like baby. I don't like baby.
14 runs required off the last over.
Dad!
Simple cricket.
Hello!
There's a spoon.
Hey. I don't like
You want to try this out? Try.
Foul ball boundary.
That one.
Mom, oh,
Yes, baby, coming. Baba, give me your plate, Baba.
I want more.
Yeah, Baba. Wait for mommy.
And I just like
Sydney Sanda. How much Sydney Sanda I like
Travel on Sunday. Vicky Shorts 9 News.
So like crunchy. Kuya, I get your rice. Holly, here, Baba. You're welcome. I get your rice.
yeah. I don't like rice.
You can have rice, Baba. Come on.
Mom, only I like rice potato.
No, no more later. You have to tell me if you like rice.
If you want. Are you gonna play sports? But you can play any day.
Kuya, that's the cheese spring roll, Kuya.
But last time
There.
Here, Kuya. How much each now? Here's your rice.
Hold on, what are you doing?
Baba, don't. No.
Not that, Laurie.
That's dessert, Baba. I'm here. And that's your, ano, Kuya. This is your dip for your spring roll.
I want rice.
You want rice?
Down.
It's alright. It's not gonna. Okay, everything's alright now? I'm gonna sit now, okay? Han, do you need anything?
Wait, I'm there.
Have dipping sauce for your spring roll? Okay, this is yours. Welcome. So, ako naman, kakain.
Oh, Mom! I mean, Dad, look!
What's that? spoon,
I
Baba.
don't like this one, George.
Say Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year,
Happy New Year,
guys!
Kain.
Kain.
Kain. Yeah, you can dip that one. It's some
Yeah,
rice bag.
that was a time.
Huh?
The basketball game.
What time is this one?
Yeah, it was 36
Yeah.
and 36.
Yeah.
It tastes good.
Does it taste good? Oh, may kare-kare. Ang layo ng kare-kare ko.
Ma, is that spicy?
Yung kare-kare ko nasa dulo. A bit spicy, Baba. Good?
Mama.
Yung kare-kare ko nandito. Wala nang kulay yung kare-kare.
Oh, this is a big one.
But the Sixers remain in
My what?
they jumped out to a 10-point lead. Frustration
You're
was
saying nothing here.
no sign of slowing down. Roy Randall
This is-
backing his side.
I put lots of mango there.
I want that one.
Not yet, that's for
Why is
later.
it so?
Because yours has no nata di coco, mine has nata di coco. Dalawa kasing,
That's mine.
that's yours. Dalawang klase kasing ginawa kong fruit salad. Yung sa kanya, walang nata di coco, yung aking meron. Ilagay ko ngayon sa kanya sa
Where's
ano.
the cocoa?
Lagay muna natin to sa ano, sarap.
I'm having with that.
Ha?
I'm trying. Are they all the same?
Ito sa kanya.
Mom,
Yeah?
do they taste the same?
Yeah.
Mom, can you give me a cup up the top, please? Thank you.
Where is all your
Yeah,
cups?
That's why I need to give up.
this guy was like,
Mom.
Here's yours, Papa. I put juice
straight
here.
up when random person goes,
Carrot juice.
But you have to eat your
I got,
rice.
I got some juice. Want some juice?
Lagay ko muna to sa ref. Itong fruit salad para malamig. Kainin mamaya.
Oh, what is the juice?
Daddy, I got juice.
Get drink water, please.
Daddy, I got juice. Yum, 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 yum.
Right, can you put bread on the pool together?
Yeah, if you want to.
For over 60 years, the OGR story has continued to evolve.
Wow.
But OGR is more than just a name. It stands for Freedom Relations. Your experience with us. Our engagement with local
That's enough, Kuya.
and our investment in people and tomorrow's
That's
generation.
enough. That's enough, Kuya.
It's the value we provide.
That's enough because that's so much.
Let me put it for. Mom,
Mm.
let me put it. Mom,
Let's put on the side.
Mom, it's really you to bring this to the party.
I already brought the big one. They love this one.
What?
This one, the one I made.
Is that the best? Well, how come you still have it?
That's mine.
For steel, roofing and fencing supplies from Nigel.
Where's your fork, Kuya?
Accessories. That's Nigel.
Use fork.
Next on deliveries, offering Maddie and oh, there she is, Linda. Yep, for fast efficient service. See the team at 22 Sound Yards Road.
Mommy, I want to put this in the big toe.
Okay.
Wherever you are,
Put in fridge.
South East
But
and
fully.
Southwest Victoria.
Put in this cookie. But I'm not a fish. I fish.
You want fried fish?
Do you want fried fish?
Yes, I do like fried fish. You want some?
Yeah, when I leave here, I eat fried fish.
No.
I do like fried fish.
It's perfect, though.
No, that's not good.
Give it to Holly.
No, here. Yeah, you can have that one. Do this other.
Mama, how do you do that thing? That's not.
It's not yum.
What?
Yeah, just got, then I just put stones
You
there.
know?
But what was it?
Didn't you like it? Oh.
Did you eat the
No,
fried fish?
no, it's not.
Hey, that's mine.
Oh,
Mommy, don't pay for this.
that's yours.
No, I don't. Baba.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's got the shell.
A lot of people noticed seeing that during last night's New Year's Eve celebration.
Yeah, good it was.
Matt. Good.
25 degrees, it's around 23 degrees right now. And across the suburbs, it's been a dry day. Temperatures.
Okay. You have to try Kuya. Your man. Oh,
Mommy, my fish.
your fish.
Oh.
I like that fish. Taste or taste but it's good. Hey, you see my foot.
Now, you want one? Okay, I can get you one.
I like the big one.
Wanna try Kuya? Just try. You can always spit it out. I told you that.
I've tasted it before.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I have the sauce. Good.
A little bit already, so 42.
I was like this with the sauce.
A little bit milder tomorrow. We could in fact see a foggy start to
Mommy,
the southeast
my fish.
and
More crayfish. Look at Holly Han. More crayfish Han for Holly.
Good girl, Baba.
I like that fish.
In the evening to around 15 knots. Temperatures in the mid-30s across the Adelaide suburbs tomorrow, Marion.
Eat your rice, please.
I think a lot of people watching Sunday because there is a chance of
Mom,
Have
why did
one
you like
sweet.
the food?
Tapos na kaming kumain. And si Holly, halos siya ang kumain ng crayfish. Ayan, lahat ng paa. And, ayan sila, naglalaro.
Catch.
Catch, Baba!
Catch it.
Catch it!
Give me one, please.
Tinuturuan siya kung paano mag-catch at saka magtapo ng bola, mag-throw. Catch it, Baba!
Look, Mom.
Oh, I am looking. No, that's not how you throw the ball, Baba.
What's on this?
So, dyan naghihintay na ng dessert. Sabi ko, wait lang.
Yours.
Pwedeng pahingan naman.
After you get to 20.
Ang dami pang tira. Si Kuya, ang daming nakain. Si Sak, hindi masyado. Kasi kumain siya ng spaghetti. Sila naman ni Kuya, kumain sila ng spaghetti. Pero si Sak,
Ah.
konti lang yung kinain. Si Kuya, grabe pa rin yung kinain niya.
Have you been to the shed?
No. Please do not.
Where you going? Go play with Daddy.
There's a creeper there.
No!
Hoy, my food!
Not that high, Baba.
No, you have to watch, Baba. You have to watch. Yan yung dalawa, ayun. Naglalaro na naman ng PS4. Bakasyon kasi. Pag may pasok na, hindi na yung ganyan.
Dad, do this.
Parang gusto ko tong buksan, pero parang wala akong energy. Antok pa rin ako, as in.
You can.
Can you do that, Holly?
No.
Why not? Oh, good job. Good catch, Baba.
Yeah, we have
Okay. Okay, how? Gusto yung get?
See?
See?
Can't.
I know you can. I know you can. Good job. No, you don't do that.
Not that.
Go.
You don't do that like that, Baba.
Go. Hey, where are you going? Have you been like that?
Sweeties!
Naubos yung cherry. Yung cherry, naubos na nila yung cherry.
Wait there. Wait.
Hoy! Hoy! No, my food.
That's a school. No, this is school food.
Yeah, you don't do that. Ayusin ko muna dito kasi si Jan naghihintay yan ng dessert. Parang feeling gusto ko nang pumunta sa kwarto at matulog. As in, gusto kong bumawi ng tulog. Sa ilang araw din ako walang maayos na tulog. Minsan wala talagang tulog. So parang ngayon nararamdaman ko na yung pagod kasi alam ko wala nang gagawin. Kasi ako, pag alam kong may okasyon o may darating, ang mind ko nakaset na yan. Tapos ang katawan ko, pag nakaset din siya na parang alam mo yun yung ang lakas-lakas, yung parang ang dami kong energy. Magagawa ko yan lahat. Tapos ito ngayon alam kong wala na. Parang, alam mo yung parang yung katawan ko rin, parang bumibigay na rin siya na matulog ka naman. Oo, matutulog tayo na. Matutulog ngayong wala nang ganap. Kasi si Kuya may ganap. Si Kuya, honey, when is the golf competition again? Honey, careful. Ay. Natama.
Nice softball, Baba.
Na tinamaan yung head niya. When is the golf competition for Teacher Han? 22nd of January, punta kami ng Adelaide.
Yeah,
I'm not ready.
you're doing 9 holes sack.
9 holes only for Sack and TJ.
Look at that.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah,
Are they separate now?
yeah, they will be in this one.
Well, I'm not.
Oh, hindi na si Sack tsaka si TJ. Magkahiwalay na yung competition nila. Si Kuya, 18 holes competition. Si Sack, 9 holes. Is it one individual, like
I'm not ready.
by yourself? Like not Ambrose and all that?
By yourself.
Oh, Zachary, Kuya. Hala, sila, ano na talaga, kakompetensyon na nila yung sarili nila. At saka yung iba, syempre. Kasi hindi na yung tulad dati na silang dalawa magkakampi. So, yun. Ayusin ko muna tong table kasi si Jan naghihintay. Ayun, naghihintay yan, oh. Gusto niya mag-dessert.
Dad, look at my stuff. Dad, look at my stuff. Down.
How can I put it down?
Dad, look at my stuff. Dad, I want a baby. A baby. Dad, I'll ask the wish.
Oh, wait, Jose.
Yeah.
It's gonna be treasure.
Good job, babe. Done a really good job with all your food and everything.
Where are you going? Alis muna daw siya. Where are you going?
Mine.
Moon? Where are you going?
Bones.
Moods. Punta muna daw siya sa kaibigan niya habang inaayos ko yung mesa, then kain siya ng dessert. Kasi daw, hindi niya raw nakita yung friend niya for 1 year. Kasi last year yun, di ba?
Can I eat this?
What's that, Baba? Leche flan? Later, Baba.
I want to eat it.
I asked you before. No, thank you. Kanina tinatanong ko siya.
That's cold, babe.
It's not cold. Hinihingi ko yung cook kanina, sabi niya sa kanya raw yun. Sige, mag-ayos na ako. Yeah, maghuhugas na ako. Ayan yung mga hugasan ko. And meron naman akong dishwasher, guys. Pero never ko talaga itong ginamit. Kasi ginawa ko na siyang, storage. Ayan, mga gamit pa dito sa kusina. Kahit before, hindi ko alam kung nabanggit ko sa inyo na hindi ito yung first house namin. Meron kaming unang bahay. Pero never ko rin ginamit yung dishwasher doon kahit walang laman yon. Ewan ko, baka parang sanay lang talaga akong panaguhugas, kamay yung ginagamit ko, hindi yung dishwasher. Ewan kasi, pag sa dishwasher kasi, alam mo yun, huhugasan mo pa rin din siya. So, might as well, sabunin ko na silagay ko dyan. Pero hindi naman ako against sa dishwasher. Gusto ko rin ang dishwasher, pero hindi pa siguro ngayon. Siguro okay pa ako na gamitin ko yung aking mga kamay. Pero one day siguro, pag meron akong paglalagyan ng mga mga kagamitan dyan sa dishwasher. So, hugasan ko muna to. Wala pa naman si Jan. Then, mamaya, dessert tayo. Papa, get down. What are you doing? Don't turn off the light. Mahugas muna ako. Ayan, tapos na ako maghugas. Malinis na yung lababo. And doon, malinis na din. And si Holly kanina, habang dito pa siya. Kanina, habang naghuhugas ako, kumakanta siya. Hindi ko siya pinifilm. And then si Jan, kanina pa siya dumating. Then sabi niya sa akin, sa labas pa lang daw, kanina pa siya doon. Pinapakinggan niya lang daw si Holly na kumakanta. Nung pagpasok niya dyan, hindi pa rin siya tumigas. So, pag hindi pa ito mahaba, i-insert ko yung niya. Or ilagay ko yung mga kanta niya. Yung mga kinakanta niya. Ang mga kinakanta niya ay yung, kung anong sasabihin niya, kinakanta niya, di ba, tinatawag niya ako. Then, we're having dessert, we're having dessert. Alright, kinakanta niya naman yung, we're having dessert. Magdi-dessert na si Jan kasi matutulog na yan. Late na nga, 9:30 na. No ice cream, Baba. I didn't get ice cream.
You have to do, you like this like a forest. You dig like a puppy ball, you dig like that. You don't have to go. Let it go, let it go. You have to leave me alone. Here I am, do you want like a puppy dog? Do you? When I see you, you have to lie, why won't see it wasn't made Mom. It wasn't me, Mom. It was quiet. Wait, Mommy. Just wait, Mom. You have to wait today. You have to wait. You have to wait today. Have to wait today.
I guess you're gonna close.
You don't have to have a loaded name. You have to do it. You have to like what to do. Make my voice and then you have to let me play like for a little bit. Let me play like you have to puppy dog. Dig like the puppy dog. You have to eat this. Microphone go. You have to low. You have to low. In your heart, do you show? You never ever put this in your head. Be careful how to low. Mommy, mommy, look my head, and you take it off. Videos. Mom, mom, I like my butt over there. It's not to have to dare. Someone dead. Someone dead. Someone and a dead. Someone and a dead. Have to roll. We have one. Hey, mom, look. See, you don't. You have to do this. Do you have this, mom? Do you have this? Do you have this? Talk to me, Mom. Talk to me, Mom.
Yes,
Do you
baby.
have this?
No, I
I
don't.
have to buy one.
Okay.
Hey, you like that? Do you want yay? Do you want to wait? No. You like to wash the dishes. You like to wash the dishes. You have to wash this. You don't have to wash the dishes. I want to help. I will. You don't like my help. Mom, I want to help. I want to help. He wants to help. He wants to help. Where is this, Mom? Where is this? You don't have to say. You don't have to say. You don't have to wait. You don't have to learn. You have to learn. You have to know my love. You have to learn. You have to forget. No. See what it made. And then cinnamon. And for a while, you have to go with your leg. Let go. You have to leave. Let go. You have to, Mom, while you're washing the dishes. Mommy, look this one. Just wait a minute, Mommy, Mom. What do you have to do? Mom, look at Mom. Look, and then someone help, Mommy. Someone help. Please, someone help.
No, baby.
Please come. Please, my arm. You don't have to roll. You have to roll. You don't have to stay.
daddy. Yes. Diba?
Did you get me one? That?
Mom,
No, I already put more, Baba.
Mom, after
I did.
Mom, after this more.
Ha?
After this more.
Hindi ka pa nag-start. Humingi
Can
ka
I
na
have
ulit.
one more, Mommy? Thank you. I want more, please. One more, please.
No, you have a lot there, Baba.
that?
Okay, sit down. Yung akin, mayroong nata di coco at saka cheese. Ayan.
Now still.
Ayan sa akin. Gustong gusto ko yung nata di coco. Nung Christmas, kulay pula. Dati, diba, ang nata di coco, puti lang. Ngayon, puti yung linagay ko. Kasi ang alam kong may kulay is yung kaong. Hindi ako naglalagay ng kaong kasi matigas yun eh. So, ayan, kain na kami ng dessert, guys.
More after this.
Huh?
More after this.
Finish that first. No, sit down there, Baba. It's alright. You're alright there.
I want to sit down like. Unless someone does.
No, it's alright. You go sit down there because you might spill that, Baba. How is it, Zaki boy? Good? Sit down there, Baba. Hala, pinaalis kayo, guys. Kasi mauupo raw siya dyan. You're done, Ham?
Mom, is yours different than mine?
Yeah, mine is different.
Can I tell you? How about yours?
No, that's the same.
How about yours?
And cheese, pineapple.
What's
I
your
got
dad's?
two biscuits.
Oh.
What's your
Bigger.
dad's?
Oh.
Please.
Oh, no.
Okay? Which one is better?
I have that one. Hey, Dad, have one.
Which one is
Like
better?
that has one.
Huh? It's better. Which one? The best. Mine?
No, it's not. Mom.
You're done, Kuya?
Please.
Yes, of course. Kuya, kakain naman siyang fruits. Si Kuya, alam niyo ba si Kuya, hindi yan tumitigil hanggat matulog siya. Kain siya ng kain. Fruits, kahit ano. Biscuits. Si Kuya na talaga ang growing up.
Mom, look.
Tomorrow again, Papa.
Oh, just last one.
Please.
Did I say please? Okay,
Please
we'll
just
stop.
that, Mom.
Huh?
Instead, I'll have this for lunch.
I don't think so. Because it's almost gone. More?
Yes,
Okay,
please.
that's enough.
One more. Big scoop, the biggest scoop. Thank you.
Wala nang natira, oh. Ayan na lang. Kunti na lang. Hindi na to isang tao. Isang tubo na lang to.
Don't play.
Ako, yung akin marami pa.
My wife, it was. Oopsie, sorry, Mom.
Don't spill. Hinihigop ni Holly yung ano sa kanya. Masarap pag may cheese kasi medyo maalat-alat, matamis-tamis. Sarap. Are you chewing it, Sak, or you just swallow it? You scoop and swallow, or you chew? Do you chew?
Why?
Just because you're eating fast.
I just had one chew and swallow it.
Chew it properly.
I didn't cough. No, I'm just doing that and doing that and that. Like this.
Si Kuya nagpo-fruits na eh. Where did you go?
Oh, I just had like the shed.
What shed? Your shed? Why?
Dad? Dad?
That's the second hand. Leaving tomorrow.
20 past.
Huh?
20 past 2.
20 past 2.
Oh, no. Oh, thanks for the day, babe. That was great.
Close the vlog na, guys. Good night, Han.
All right.
Baba, let's close the vlog.
Just have fruit salad. Yeah, I'll tell you about it.
Sinabihan ni Jen si TJ na. Kumain ka pa lang ng fruits. Kumakain ka fruit salad. Kumakain ka ng fruits. No, just like this, Papa. Okay, let's close the vlog. You know yung vlog natin for tonight, for today.
Hey!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys. Again, Happy New Year. Bye. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Thank you, guys. Happy 2020.